Okay, Leapman, first up, don't let anyone help you use the ATM. Then you insert your card and punch in your secret PIN.
1, 2...
Stop! Your PIN is a secret! You can't let anyone else know it.
Oh, right. 3, 4... Okay, we're in.
You clearly have no idea how to use an ATM safely. Never tell anyone your PIN. Always know where your card is, and if it's missing, report it to the bank immediately. Also, put your money away safely before leaving the ATM, and don't let anyone distract you when you're making a transaction.
Wait a second. Didn't you just distract me? The money! It's gone! Darn! What is this world coming to when a superhero is robbed in broad daylight? Oh, fans. Fear not, citizens. We are merely utilizing this ATM to draw fuel money. We'll be on our way now. Thank you. And be safe. You never know who's watching. I heard someone was robbed at this very ATM. It wasn't me, no. I'm a superhero. It was someone else.
We have to go.
Oh, right. Take care, citizens. What do we do now? We don't have enough money to defeat Dr. Sinister. And if we don't do something soon, he'll have all the money he needs to fuel his fiendish schemes.
There's only one thing we can do. We have to take the little money we have left and become entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneur. Got it. What is that exactly?
It's a person who starts a business.
But where would we even begin setting up a new business?
We begin with what I do best. We begin with the budget. The first thing we need to do is figure out the needs and wants of potential customers. We need to look at strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Great advertising will help lift us above the competition, and we can lean on the Leapman brand to build on our reputation. Then all we need are systems to track the money to make sure we're making a profit. I've got it! Let's get to work!
Hot dogs! Get your steaming hot dogs! Fully Leapman endorsed to give you strength when you need it most. You'll be defeating your workday in no time.
It's working, Leapman. Our hot dog business is a huge success.
This is by far the best hot dog I've ever eaten. And with all this clever branding and advertising, it's going to be huge. My name is John Moneybags. I'd love a share in your business. I'll even list it on the JC.
Mr. Moneybags, I think you've got it all wrong. This is a business, and we're entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneurs.
Yes, that word. We sell these hot dogs for money. If we just share, how will we defeat Dr. Sinister? This is not just a hat rack, my friend.
Leapman, I think what Mr. Moneybags is saying is that he wants to buy a piece of the business or a share and then list the company on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange so he can sell more shares to investors and expand the business. If that happens, Leapman's hot dogs could go countrywide with the money that comes from the investors. This will make us very successful entrepreneurs.
We'll take it. Now we have enough money to defeat Dr. Sinister.
Yes, we do. And we'll hold on to the 51% controlling shares, selling the 49% to Mr. Moneybag.
It's not really over. You can see more by following Star Savers.